Well, folks, it's officially Christmas, which is kind of hard to believe because it feels like just the other day we were carving turkeys and eating cranberry sauce. But nonetheless, here we are, and I want to take this second to wish you and yours the merriest of Christmas. Now, what I would love nothing more than to be sitting around the table with you guys, sharing a cocktail or two. I'm gonna have to settle for the next best thing, and that's making a cocktail for you guys today on YouTube. Now, this cocktail was inspired by two different things. The first one is Rob of Rob's Home Bar. Rob's a good pal of mine, and he has been making this cocktail all holiday season long. I mean, it's all he's been talking about. And so I knew I had to give it a try, and I really trust Rob's taste, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up loving this cocktail just as much. And it was also inspired by the name of the cocktail, which is BURL IVES. Now, if you guys don't know who BURL IVES is, BURL IVES is the voice behind many classic Christmas songs, but most importantly, at least to me, he's the voice and inspiration behind the snowman in the classic Christmas film, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Now, if you guys don't know, I am a huge Christmas groupie. I love this time of year, and I really love Christmas songs. I love Christmas movies. I mean, I listen to them and watch them all season long. And my favorite Christmas movie is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So I'm really excited to make this cocktail today and be inspired one last time to enjoy this amazing time of year. Now, before I go ahead and make this cocktail, I got a little assignment for you guys. I want you down in the comments section to let me know two things. Number one, what are you guys drinking today? Maybe it's a cocktail, maybe it's a glass of wine, some beer, or maybe you're having a soft drink, maybe some soda or some coffee, whatever it is. Just let me know down in the comment section what you're drinking. Now, most importantly though, I want you guys to let me know what is your all-time favorite Christmas film? What's that film you watch that gives you the warm and fuzzy feelings inside? You know what I'm saying? Maybe it's a Miracle on 34th Street or Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Or maybe you're one of those die-hard and Gremlins guys. Whatever it is, I would love to know, right folks? So I'm gonna go ahead and make this cocktail for you guys. But before I do that, I'm gonna need you to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm. And make sure you stick around because we're gonna boogie down. Now, the BURL IVES cocktail can be found on the Tuxedo No. 2 website, which is a fantastic cocktail resource. Let us look at what is in the sauce. All right, folks, let's go ahead and give our BURL IVES cocktail a sippy sip. Cheers. Oh, that is very delicious. Rob, I can see why you've been hooting and hollering about this cocktail. Absolutely delicious. I love the way the chocolate notes work with the smokiness from the Scotch. I think it's really nice. And then the sweet vermouth adds some nice dark flavors to it as well. A little bit of dark fruit, some of them grape notes and stuff. Very delicious looking cocktail, tasting cocktail. Excellent. Well, guys, I hope you are sipping on something delicious, spending some time with your friends, your family. And if you're doing, look, if you're spending Christmas by yourself, I hope you're doing something that you love, right, folks? Whether that's going out and traveling or just maybe sitting back and watching your favorite Christmas films, all right? So listen, make sure you let me know down in the comments what you're drinking, what you love to watch. And I really hope you guys are having the best Christmas out there. From Vino's family to yours, once again, Merry Christmas. Thank you for letting me spend your Christmas with you today. And I look forward to many, many more with you guys, all right? So again, cheers, Merry Christmas, and I love you all. Cheers.